Don't get burned. Consult with Casalinova Investigations, Inc., the Tennessee fire investigators with over 30 years of experience investigating residential and commercial fire losses. Casalinova investigators are known across the nation and serve the insurance industry, law firms, manufacturers, and individuals. To ensure the most detailed and accurate documentation of your damage, they utilize drones, 3D Matterport photography, and ChimScan video equipment. Casalinova's Tennessee fire investigators are IAAI and NAFI certified, following all NFPA 921 guidelines, and meet the NFPA 1033 standard for fire investigator qualifications. No matter if your case is large or small, they are there for you 24/7. Casalinova remains an industry leader thanks to their strong reputation for finding the true cause of every fire, and they produce millions of dollars in subrogation recovery annually. Don't wait another moment to bring our Tennessee fire investigators to work for you. Contact us at firecauses.com or call 888-850-FIRE.